is Arno, or you can say the Tech Arno, and you're watching Heavy Tech.
Once again, good morning, dear friends. So today let we see which are the three basic software for uploading a good quality video in YouTube. So dear friends, first step for uploading a good quality video to YouTube is that you have to record that video. So for that purpose you can use the camera of your Android mobile phone. But dear friends, take in mind one thing should be inculcated in your mind, that if you are recording with your camera and it is placed approximate up to the 1.5 meter nearer to you, then there is no necessity that you use the headphone. You can directly record the video or with that. If you are using the headphone, that is okay. But suppose you are keeping your mobile camera or Android phone behind the 2 meter or more than that, if you are placing, then you must use the external collar mic. And for that, if you are using the external collar mic, keep in mind that this camera, your Android mobile camera, either may be support or not. So the maximum chances is that it will not support. So for that purpose you must have to install the other one, that is one software or the one app you should have to download in your mobile with the Play Store, that is Open Camera. Now the other apps are there, but it is, as per as my knowledge, it is a very good for using, a very handy, and the audio quality is very good. So we will open it. I will show you Open Camera. Now in this Open Camera, dear friends, just keep in mind that some settings are there. Go to the setting, the upward corner at the bottom of the left side, and here in this you will find some setting. So go to the video setting, and in this video setting you will find the audio record. So audio record is on, and audio source. Now keep in mind here, just click on audio source. You might get confused that audio source, here the options are given: camcorder, external mic, default audio source, optimized for voice calls, optimized for voice recognition. So we might use the default audio source or external mic, but it will not work. So for that purpose you have to choose this one, the optimized for voice recognition. And now your setting is completed. So if you are now using here the external collar mic, then it will work properly and your audio quality is very good, and the external collar mic will work with this. So this is what the first requirement. And second requirement is that after the recording your good quality HD quality video, now you must have to edit properly. Wherever cut is necessary in your video, the effects are necessary to insert. So as per previously we have discussed, the second most editing software is the KineMaster or the KineMaster. Now this is your KineMaster. So we will discuss later that the KineMaster, how to download the cracked version, or rather to say not the cracked version but KineMaster with all features. You will not find the watermark that is made with KineMaster with here. I will provide you link in the description. If you are going through that link, you will get the KineMaster for downloading purpose with all features. Thousands of features are there, and if you are downloading KineMaster with that cracked or the equivalent to the paid version, then just believe me, dear friends, it is having the features more than that Filmora. Before 1 year I was using the Filmora. Camtasia is there, but that is having the huge cost, and using the what is called as the professional for making the video or the short film. So this KineMaster we will discuss later. This is the second. How to use the KineMaster I will give you in the provide you the information in the next video. So this is the second software for the video editing. Now what is about the third software? That is, you can see clearly here, the Video Panda or the compressing software. Why? Because if you are recording the 1 minute video with your mobile camera, today's Android mobile camera, then 1 minute videos go up to the near about 50 to 70 80 approximate 50 MB. Means what? The 10-minute video having 200 300 and more than that MB video, which is somehow the getting problem while uploading to the YouTube. Even if someone is going to watch, there is a buffering. So better way you can reduce. So Video Panda is one of the good software I'm using, but the most important and useful for Android mobile, the app which is the compressing app, the VidComp or the video compressor. Use this video compressor. Here you will get the number of what is called as the properties, like you can directly compress the video, cut the video. Let I choose one of the video, this one. So here already these all are the compressed video, so there is no chances the more compressed. So you have to select here, and if you are going to compress video, click here for the compression. Then ad will come. We will just remove this. Then now what, here you can directly choose any one of the option, that is resolution with compression ratio is given or the percent of compression is given, but custom is very good. If you are choosing custom, then you can set the resolution as well as the bit for compression as such. Bit for compression as such, you will see here the MBs are reducing here, but below this, actually already I have compressed this video previously. So 75 point, you can see that 12.46 minutes video this one is, and it having the size 75.2 MB, so it is sufficient. So you have to keep your videos resolution, that is HD quality 1280 into 720p pixel, and bitrate is 793 is very minimum. So if you are reducing than this or the below the 700, it will be not properly it cannot be properly seen. So it is this much video size is or the bitrate or the resolution is enough. Lower than this is will not be appear properly, resolution is not good. So if you're increasing, then it's okay. So in this way, now if you are clicking the button compress video, it will be soon start, but already these are the compressed video, maximum 1 or 2 MB will be less than this will be what is compressed over here. Okay friends, so these are the 3 apps, minimum apps required for good quality video production.